This guy is obviously not worried about my presence one bit. What he's doing, he's looking for snails, and he'll find the snail and he'll bring it to the bank. And I saw some of these guys earlier. Here they are. These are snails, and that's what he's fishing for. Pretty good sized snails. And so he's making a pretty good meal out of this. He's got 2 or 3 of them already, and it's really amazing to watch him because he'll take that bill and he'll jam down into that snail and pull the actual animal out of there. It's pretty amazing to watch their unique feeding behaviors.